Hello FBLA, my name is Efren Saenz, and today I'll be showcasing you what strategies I used so that you can become an outstanding competitor in the graphic design category. What made me stand out in the graphic design category mainly had to do with the execution that I took for my product. Look at the rubric assigned for you in any category as the bare minimum that you need in your presentation, and use it to further expand on whatever you're trying to achieve. In my case, the objective stated, create a branding package for a new business in your community. Starting off, I created a line of protein cookie products, something that has not been touched upon previously, bringing a memorable item to display to judges. Additionally, I built upon this idea by creating mock-ups to display and the marketing strategies that we do. I built upon this idea by creating flavors to display. To really put in that 110% effort, I went out of my way to make real-life prototypes to display at conferences. Doing all of this will ensure you make it far and put up a good fight against other competitors. Just like any other design I've done in the past, sketching and drawing on a piece of paper will just do the trick. Writing and drawing whatever comes to mind. Eventually, my idea of the protein cookie line came into place, building off of it by making logos, brands, the name, the motto, anything that a product would need to succeed in the real world. After that, my next step was creating an initial cookie box design, making various versions as to how it would be possible to display on shelves. And once I had that on paper, it was finally time to transfer it digitally using Adobe Illustrator for my designs and Adobe Photoshop for my real-life mockups. Here, I made sure to emphasize tons on the theme of the product, color choices, and overall cleanliness of it. Once I had everything into place, the integration of business concepts was just as important to include into my presentation. I used the retail wholesale business concept to include our line of products into warehouse stores such as Costco and Sam's Club, and going beyond as to even include concept arts as to how this would even be possible, such as a sample stand to give out to ongoing customers and an end cap to display our products. And of course, you cannot forget about brochures to give us more info about our line of products and how they benefit your daily lifestyle. The most difficult part about this truly was attempting to do more than necessary. A tip for anyone going into nationals especially, if you do everything listed in the rubric and nothing more, it will be most likely not enough for you. Because by that point, anyone who has qualified there are there for a reason, due to making incredible creations, designs, or having some sort of niche that truly pushes them out of the crowd. Graphic design in FBLA has really influenced the way I see it in the business industry, incorporating on a larger scale with business concepts, professional branding, and various marketing strategies to truly get the product out there with whatever means necessary. I hope in the future to use this prior knowledge in the business field of marketing as I continue my journey in the future careers I take.